We have a developing situation, an unprecedented epidemic. Corvettes are overheating throughout the land. This is a crisis. We will bring you more.
My C3 Corvette, it always runs hot at highway speeds. I don't know what the heck is going on.
C3 is running hot.
Why is it hot at highway speed?
Yours is hot too?
Who's hot? Where?
I'm so confused.
This isn't just a car. This is the 1978 Corvette. A machine built to turn heads, push boundaries, and make the open road your personal playground. But even legends have their challenges, and for the entire C3 generation, cooling the engine was a big one. So if your C3 is overheating at highway speeds, this video's for you. Stick around to learn what you can do to fix it.
After many wrong purchases and research, I finally found the piece that needs to go underneath the Corvette so that it maintains proper engine temperature at speed. A lot of C3 owners who have picked up their cars years after they were made will find that a lot of body parts are missing off their Corvettes, and they notice, hey, why is my car running nice and cool in stop-and-go traffic, but the temperature creeps up at speed on the highway? And that's most likely because this piece and this are missing from your C3 Corvette. C3 Corvettes are bottom feeders. They suck up air through its long snout, and it gets directed underneath the car, hits this, goes up, and through the radiator, keeping it cool at speed. So, now that I've got the pieces I need for that, we're going to take a look to see what's all cracked up and wrong with this used one. This looks like it came off, I don't know, an orange car maybe, or a white car. How to repair it, or at least make it look pretty and usable, and mount it to the car along with this nice new air dam for my year, 78, from a Corvette supplier. So we're going to take a look at this now, clean it up, see what's wrong with it, and see how we can mount it up. I don't know what these are for. These are spoiler attacher for this thing. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know if these are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's supposed to go in like that, maybe? We'll have to find bolts for this.
It almost looks like it needs those clips with the nuts in them.
Oh,
those
good.
Floating clips.
Those things that we have a ton of.
Which we have none of, yeah. Alright, we'll see if we can find some. Oh, yeah, look at that. Looks like we may have some of these things after all. Maybe they'll be the right size. So we're going to transfer mark the holes in this fiberglass piece to the front nose clip. That way we know where to drill some mounting holes. Okay, how does that look in here? Is this peak in the middle?
There we go. That looks good.
That looks good. Okay, so...
Alright.
Okay.
I'll take this.
Alright, bring that back outside, let it dry in the sun, and then we can give it a coat of paint. Well, we got the air dam in, we got this front piece in. I think this is going to work just fine. So, again, at highway speeds, what this thing does is help divert air up into these holes towards the radiator. Should keep this thing running nice and cool on the highway. Well, now we got to test this thing to see if it works.
Okay, just did a highway shakedown run coming from, I don't know, about 2 or 3 miles back. After the valance was installed, we're clocking in under 200 degrees. We maintained a steady 70 miles an hour. Hasn't gotten over 200 yet. I think that's a win.
And there you have it, the air dam installed and keeping the engine cool at highway speeds. A simple fix with a big impact to keep your classic Corvette running strong. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because one small click for you is one giant boost for us. Thanks for watching.